What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Cardano, guys. ADA, we've come down to our next buy zone here. Currently we're sitting at 195. We're down about 5% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 64.11 billion, 24-hour volume 3.01 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, as well as $25 in their native coin Crow, which has been absolutely exploding. So just a quick drink of water. Hope you're well, guys. So you can see here we had some swift sell-off and we came all the way down to our next buy zone at 174. We entered at 211, hit our next buy zone at 189, bringing your average price down to about 193. And we hit our next buy zone at 194, bringing your average price down to about 191, very close to the current level. So if we do come back up to $2.11, what you can do is turn this into a buy zone / TP zone. And you can look to take some profits if we bounce back up to that level if you like to. Would be a nice little trade of about 10% for ADA. So I wanted to hop over into the daily time frame. Something funny happened here. We broke out of our ascending triangle. We met our target, we rolled over, we fell back into the pattern, we broke down, and we met the target, the breakdown target as well. So I thought that was a little bit comical, but I guess it's not that important. So let's hop over to the daily time frame. So I have noticed we're in a bit of a falling wedge here, as well as on the MACD. We're currently consolidating just as we did back in July here. You can see we're consolidating on the MACD. Right before our breakout, we created a reversal pattern here, which was a double bottom. We came down, we created a bottom, created a second bottom. We saw our breakout, we saw our bullish cross, and we saw a massive pump for ADA. So maybe something similar is going to happen here, where we've come down, we've created a bottom. Maybe we come up, we see a little bit of consolidation here. We come back down, we create a second bottom. We come back down to this support line of our falling wedge, which also lines up with the golden ratio. And we see our breakout back to the upside. We reach our target here of our falling wedge, which is coming in at about $3.12. And we have our bull run targets for ADA. The 1.618 is coming in at 434, the 2 at 613, and the dream price at the 2.272 at about 783 for ADA. So if you do see us find support, we come up, we hit resistance, possibly at the point 786. And we come back down towards 173, do target that double bottom playing out. Could give us a beautiful opportunity to bounce back up to the upside and break out of this falling wedge pattern. It also lines up with that buy zone at 174. Now what also can happen is we see a little bit of consolidation here. We break up, we roll over, we create a smaller double bottom at $1.89, and we break out once again. But if you were to see a little bit of future sell-off, we are trending towards oversold on the 4-hour RSI. Now that doesn't mean we can't come a little bit lower and then consolidate, come back up, create that double bottom and break out. But when we do start to trend into oversold, usually that's when you're going to see a bounce. We came into oversold with our wick here. We saw a little bit of a bounce back to the upside. Give you some more examples here. We're oversold right here. We bounced back up to the upside. Even with this large wick down here, we trended into oversold and we bounced back up to the upside. So I would keep an eye on a reversal pattern, either at $1.89 or $1.74. If we quickly look at Bitcoin here, you can see we came all the way down to this level of support that we had dropped in here, coming in at about 58K. Now I want to show you guys our dump in September. I have been talking about this in the Discord a few days back, where we had a large sell-off followed by consolidation, followed by a small pump, our second sell-off, consolidation, and then we broke out. And we're basically going through the same thing at the moment, just on a smaller scale. So we had our swift sell-off, consolidation, a small pump back to the upside, and we've had our second sell-off. So what may happen with Bitcoin, if we can hold this level of support at 58.5, we see that consolidation, we create some sort of reversal pattern, a symmetrical triangle, and we break back out to the upside. But if we do lose 58.5, we have broken out of this ascending triangle or a rising wedge, depending on how you're seeing it here. Your target is all the way down at 54.3, and we have a strong level of support coming in at 52.9. But those targets will only play out if we lose 58.5 as support. If we can hold it, if we can consolidate, see some sort of reversal pattern, that could be the breakout we've been waiting for, back to the upside here for Bitcoin. So we'll finish off the video for ADA. So do watch $2.11 if we do bounce back up. Could be a good opportunity to lock in some profits here. I'm just going to remove these lines. And if you see us start to come up here, we get rejected by the EMAs, we roll over once again, we could bounce off $1.89. Or another scenario is we sell off a little bit more and we create that double bottom here at $1.74 before breaking out back to the upside. If we were to lose $1.74 and Bitcoin came all the way down to 52K, do target this next buy zone for ADA coming at 157. All right, guys, that's basically it for this one. Your bull run targets $4.34, 613 at the 2, and the 2.272 at 783. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. So you can see here yesterday I said in our September dump we had a dump followed by consolidation, relief bounce, second dump, consolidation, breakout. We just had our second dump now, so hopefully consolidation, and then we break out come the end of November. So if you want to join the Discord, we have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You can sign up through the Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.